In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make trance music in Suno AI. We'll start by crafting a strong style prompt, then we'll write original lyrics, and finally, we'll generate the full track in Suno. Open your browser and head to Google. We're going to use the ChatGPT website to help shape a precise style prompt. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and open the official site. In a new chat, ask for a detailed trance-style description you can paste into Suno. For example, request an euphoric, uplifting trance vibe at 138 BPM with soaring female vocals, arpeggiated synths, driving bass lines, and epic build-ups. Aim for a concise paragraph that captures mood, tempo, instruments, and energy. When the response looks right, submit your query. Then highlight the resulting style prompt and copy it. Now open Suno and go to Create. In the Styles field, paste the prompt you just copied. This tells Suno exactly what kind of sound you're after, which helps it lock in the genre, tempo feel, and arrangement. If you want, you can briefly tweak words like euphoric to atmospheric, or switch the BPM range, but keep it focused. Overly long prompts can dilute the result. Next, let's generate lyrics. Return to ChatGPT and ask for original trance-appropriate lyrics. A clear request would be something like, write lyrics about moving on with strength and include a title. Keep vocals in mind. Short, repeatable lines work well for chorus hooks, and verses can stay lean to leave space for the drop and build. Submit your request. Wait a moment, then copy the finished lyrics. Feel free to adjust phrases so they fit your vocal style or to avoid overly dense wording. Head back to Suno. Locate the lyrics field and paste your lyrics. Make sure the title is at the top if you want Suno to use it, and double-check that line breaks and sections are clean. Verse, pre-chorus, and chorus markers make it easier for the model to structure the song. You're ready to render. Click Create and give Suno a little time to process. Generation may take a moment, especially during busy hours. When it's done, listen through and note what worked. The bass line should pump, the arps should sparkle, and the build should feel epic. If you want a different flavor, tweak a few words in the style prompt or tighten the lyrics, then regenerate. Repeat until you land on a trance track you love.